In the first video of the series, we have discussed several strong points of the Google's smart shopping campaigns. Ability to save time, ability to automate the management's heavy lifting, and visibility across all the shopping placements: search, display, Gmail, and YouTube. The question becomes, should an e-commerce business run smart shopping campaigns exclusively in Google Ads? Even though technically possible, I don't recommend doing that. Let's look at 5 planning strategies of using smart shopping campaigns in your Google Ads program. There are Autopilot, core products, showcase products, when nothing else works, and quick insights. Before we proceed, I want to remind you about a few ways smart shopping will impact your Google Ads program. Because smart shopping gets highest priority, it effectively takes over your traditional shopping program. That means any products you have in a smart shopping campaign will disappear from your standard shopping campaign. Also, there is no data to analyze. No search terms data, no audience data, no placement data, and also no channel data. This might become extremely important at a later stages when you want to further increase performance and really understand what can be done. And with smart shopping campaigns, it's impossible. The Autopilot strategy takes advantage of the extreme simplicity of setting up and managing smart shopping campaigns. It will be good when you're starting out or you don't have time, energy, or knowledge to manage and optimize your Google Ads. In this strategy, we are targeting the subset of our key products that we want to ensure get the widest branding available. And we test these several products in smart shopping. We then keep our remaining products within our successful, already running standard campaigns as the foundation of the account. This strategy works great if you already have a very solid standard program but want to experiment with new ideas. Think of your showcase products as your top ambassadors or salespeople. They are flashy and attractive products that bring interest to the store, even though they're not primary revenue drivers, for example. But they give you opportunity to upsell and shift into your core products. These products could be clearance items or weekly specials that change frequently but keep the same custom label. So your smart shopping campaign is always pushing forward your best deals across the internet. Think of it like almost like a branding play. Sometimes when you try seemingly everything and run out of ideas and you're not getting the performance that you want, smart shopping campaigns is a thing to try. Just run them for a month and look at the results of the recent 2 weeks. Finally, you might need to quickly test a new arena out where you need insights into which products or brands will perform better. Smart shopping can be a good way of testing it out. You can also test new geographies. Say you've been running US targeted campaigns and you want to try the UK market. You might consider running with your top products a smart shopping campaign targeted to the UK market. It's exceptionally easy to implement and you can use it to appeal other audiences and also get a product market fit based on pushing out your key brands across multiple channels with Google's optimization. Here are the 5 planning strategies for the smart shopping campaigns. Once you have a smart shopping campaign up and running, can you do anything to maximize the results? Actually, quite a few things. In the next video, we'll look into optimization tactics for the smart shopping campaigns. If this is of value to you, like, subscribe, and hit bell icon to get notified on the new videos. Also, if you want to learn more about smart shopping campaigns or any Google Ads topics, let me know in the comments below. Thank you, and till next time.